Hello, today on 3-Minute Apps, we're going to talk about one of my absolute favorite applications, Lucidchart. Now, at the office, I actually get teased that likely, if we're talking about a new process or a new idea, there's a very good chance that I have already started working on a Lucidchart to start to work out how to accomplish this process or thought. I love Lucidchart. Now, you can create documents very easily. They have a whole slew of different shapes. They have libraries of shapes for you to choose from to make the most sense for your vision. You can share them with other team members. So even if team members don't have a Lucidchart account, they can view it. They can see it. You can always export it to pretty much any file type you would like. And you can even import from other tools like Visio, OmniGraffle, and others as well. But the sharing part of it is really nice. There's also real-time collaboration, just like if you're familiar with G Suite and you use Google Docs or Slides or Google Sheets, you can edit in real time, which is quite nice when you're working in teams. And there's so much integration with G Suite, Microsoft Office, Confluence, and all these other applications too, like Slack and Google Drive, which I already mentioned, but a whole slew of other tools out there that really make editing very easy and sharing of those ideas. So the nutshell version of it is if you have a process that you're working on, you need to go from point A to point Z, and you need to say, okay, we're going to talk about our sales process. We're going to develop a sales process. What is the customer working on right now? Or why have they contacted us? Do they go to support? Do they go to our account service folks? Do they talk to customer service? Do they talk to projects, etc.? Where are they in the life cycle? Maybe the entire process is that life cycle and all the different places where they could possibly be aligned to. You can design all this. You can use swim lanes however you want in Lucidchart. It really gives you a blank canvas to do any type of process work you would like. I love it. It really helps me understand what it is that I'm trying to communicate to the other teams in a very visual sense, which I appreciate. If you're a big fan of Visio, you're going to really like Lucidchart, and it is so easy to use. There are many different tiers of whether it's free or paid versions of how you can get it going, and I highly recommend it. Check it out. Lucidchart is a win.